welcome back to my channel. In this short video I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the brake light or a tail light on a Renault Trafic, Vauxhall Vivaro or Nissan Primastar. Let's get started. Let's check the lights first. We've established rear left brake light is not functioning, so let's get to work and replace it. To replace the bulbs, the first thing you need to do is open the rear left door to gain access to the tail light. The next step is to undo the 3 bolts. They're TORX 30. Let's get to work. The next thing you want to do is obviously remove the tail light so you can change the bulb. So close the door halfway so you can pull the tail light out of its clips. There are 3 clips that hold the tail light in place, so gently pull it out and it will come out. Before you assemble, make sure the bulb works. Now assemble the tail light. Test the tail lights again.